Ikaw ka, Coach? Yes, para pagdating ng sector.
Babalik yata sa Santa Cruz.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nagbabalik po ang Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum live here at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Kami po ay nagbabalik after a month-long break to give way to our country's participation in the recent Paris 2024 Olympics. Makakasama natin this morning ang isa sa mga atleta na bagamat baguhan sa Olympics ay nagbigay po ng karangalan, ng malaking karangalan sa ating bansa sa larangan ng boxing. Kasama din po niya ang ating mga opisyales at isa niyang coach. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Randy Calua. Partner?
Yes, magandang umaga, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Welcome po sa ating session, and what a way to resume our session with one of the heroes of the Team Philippines from the Paris Olympic Games. Sana magkakasama tayo sa ating live streaming, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Likewise, on a delayed basis sa ating Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating sports radio, 918 kHz AM band. Ako po si Judith Carinal.
Bago mo pakilala ang ating mga guest partner, in behalf of our PSC President Nelson Beltran ng Philippine Star, isa siya sa mga kasamahan natin sa hanap buhay na nag-cover doon sa Paris Olympics, si Nelson Beltran. Maraming salamat po sa aming sponsors, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Santiago Corporation, Smart, PLDT, Nestle, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
And yes, ang sport na para nating nasa fronta ng kampanya ng Team Philippines sa lahat ng international competitions, lalo na sa Olympic Games. Panauhin natin ang boxing mula sa Association of Boxing Alliances in the Philippines, ABA. At hindi naman po nabigo dahil pagkatapos pa rin ng ating Olympics ay nagbigay sila ng karangalan para sa ating inang bayan. Narito ang bronze winner ng Paris Olympic Games sa Women's Flyweight, Ira Villegas. Congratulations, mabuhay ka. Ang coach na isa ring Olympian, Coach Reynaldo Galido. Congratulations po. At ang isa sa top official, psychologist din ng Koponan, no other than Secgen Marcus Manalo. Congratulations po, kabuhay. Welcome to the PSA. Yes, good morning, Ira. Congrats. Yes, opening. Congratulations.
Hi, good morning po.
Pagod pa ba? Dahil sa mga awarding rights, mga dinadaluhan na gathering?
Ayan. Medyo po. Konting nakatulog naman, kahit pa paano.
Sige, babalikan ka namin mamaya. Ano ka muna?
Chill.
Coach Reynaldo.
Yes, magandang umaga po sa lahat dito. Thank you ulit sa pag-imbita ulit.
Okay, paunang tanong natin. Sir Marcus? Message first?
Thanks for having us again. Ayan. Pag naiimbitahan kami, ibig sabihin may nangyayaring maayos. So it's good to be back here. Unfortunately, Nesty couldn't join. Sobrang nagpatong-patong lang yung mga schedule, no. Medyo confusing na rin because of all the invitations sa kanila. But hopefully we can have her soon. But si Ira nandito, I'm sure marami kayong questions for Ira. Na hindi pa nag-gold sa SEA Games pero Olympic medalist na.
Pag-relax lang natin si Ira. Sir Marcus, ano muna? General assessment ng ating participation, and yan nga, dalawa yung nanalo na nakakagmedalya, and actually yung meron pa tayo isa si Carlo nga na very close, no? At so yung general assessment ng ating kampanya doon sa Paris for boxing.
Yeah, so obviously the hunt for the Olympic gold, the elusive Olympic gold remains, no? But yeah, when we take a step back, and obviously may mga frustrations rin with the results, no? We thought Nesty could have been in the gold medal bout to have a chance at least. Si Carlo rin, we thought he should have won a medal also. But overall, when you take a step back, it's still a back-to-back multi-medal performance for the boxing team. And prior to the Tokyo Olympics, we were in a 25-year medal drought. The last Olympic medal in boxing prior to Tokyo was si Onyong Pa. 1996. So, ang tagal natin hindi nagme-medal eh. And then in the past 2 Olympics, we were able to bring home 5 medals. So, kumbaga, at least we can say na we're back at the Olympic stage. Na kumbaga, contenders ulit tayo on the Olympic stage. Medyo kinapos pa rin, in our standards. Pero with boxing kasi it's very tricky because it's an open skill. Meaning, you adjust to your opponents. And in our case, we have to win 5 fights to get the gold. Diba? Yung demands a little bit different with other sports. Diba? Hindi siya close skill na pag nabuhat ko to, diba? Ito na yung pinakamabigat na nabuhat, yun na yung mag-gold. With boxing, or you have a specific routine na pag na-execute mo perfectly, then that's it. With boxing, it's the demands are a little bit different. Kaya masyadong tricky. Tapos ang laki pa nung subjectivity when it comes to judging, di ba? Unlike other sports also, di ba? At least the judges are looking at the same thing. With boxing, sometimes you feel like, are they watching different bouts, di ba? Kasi they're watching the same bouts. One judge will score 30-27 for blue, the other judge will score 30-27 for red. So sometimes you don't know what they're looking at, di ba? Sometimes, volume ba ng punches? Pero bakit yung Uzbekistan, hindi rin naman ganun kataas yung volume, pero nananalo naman. So, diba? But that's something that we have to study also, how we're being judged. No? But there could be changes also moving forward when it comes to running the Olympic qualifiers and the actual Olympics with the new international federation. I'm sure some of you will ask about it later. So we can expound later. Kasi actually di pa rin talaga certain yung status ng boxing sa LA Olympics.
Yes.
But overall, I feel like we're back at the Olympic stage in terms of being contenders, and kinapos pa rin, but again, it's back-to-back multi-medal performance in the past 2 Olympics. So I think that's something to be proud of, and I'm really proud of the combined efforts of the boxers, coaches, the support staff, the sponsors from the government side, the private side. And sa lahat ng mga supporters kayo na nagko-cover ng mga stories and able to share their stories to a bigger platform. So kami happy naman dun sa combined efforts overall.
Yes, thank you sir. Babalikan natin kayo for more dahil